If your external hard drive, SSD, or flash drive is connected to your MacBook Neo, but not showing up in Finder or on the home screen, here's what you can do. First, a few basic checks. Eject the drive and plug it back in a few times. You can try a different port and make sure the connection is secure on both ends. If possible, switch the cable. And if you're using a dongle, try connecting the drive directly if your Mac supports it. If that didn't work, open Finder. Go to the Finder menu, then Settings. Under the General tab, make sure External Disks is checked. Still not showing? Go to the Sidebar tab and make sure both hard disks and external disks are enabled. If it's still missing, try a force restart. Press and hold the power button until the screen goes black, then press any button to turn it back on. This can fix minor glitches. After restarting, unplug and reconnect your drive. If it's still not showing, open Spotlight Search and look for Disk Utility. Once inside, go to the View option and select Show All Devices. Your external drive should appear on the left side. When it shows up, right-click on it and select Show in Finder. If the drive appears but says Not Mounted, click on Mount. Then select First Aid and click Run. This will check for any issues and show results if something's wrong. If nothing worked, make sure the drive is compatible with Mac. It should be formatted as APFS or exFAT. If needed, you can click on Erase and choose a compatible format, but this will delete all data, so make sure to back up your files before doing that. If this helped, stay with Fix369 for more quick tech tips.